Good morning. So we're on the way to Jamaica Inn, and it's brought us down this extremely narrow road, and I just want to show you something. This is stunning, absolutely stunning. You probably can hear it. Let me switch around. We've come across this beautiful little waterfall. Look at this. Beautiful lake. But look at that. Cornwall is very, very beautiful. Get nearer. That is absolutely amazing. Let's go down there. There's Andy. Now the road is very narrow. It's just that it's got these little gaps where you can park. That is stunning. Another little lake just there. Another look. Beautiful. The only trouble is I've got to take Peanut out now. The road is extremely narrow. Hopefully we can get to Jamaica Inn, so we'll see in a bit. So toodle pip.